Free yourself from the flesh.
Ha ha ha. Why the shocked faces? You didn't really think I'd miss my own invention's big unveiling, did you? Now, without further ado, let me present to you my blessing upon this world. The world's first artificially created angel. Would you be so kind and tell the audience your name?
Barachiel.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am standing here outside the walls of Eshel Prison, where mere hours ago, authorities have reportedly found the deceased body of Jensen Goldstein, also known as the Solomon Hall shooter. Goldstein had been housed in the maximum security facility after he became the prime suspect in the assassination of Dr. Geoff Ernstmann. Though the cause for the suspect's sudden passing remains yet to be confirmed, whispers claim the death had been of self-inflicted nature. Coincidentally, this comes mere days after Dr. Geoff Ernstmann's miraculous resurrection and return to the spotlight.
I love